Ever dreamt of uncovering history's hidden gems without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the world of vintage postcards. Garage sales, your treasure trove for rare vintage postcards. Each sale holds potential for unique finds at remarkably low prices. Preparation is key. Research beforehand to spot real vintage gems. Knowledge on eras and designs will turn you into a savvy collector. Early birds get the rare postcards. Arriving as sales start can lead to the best finds, often overlooked by the casual shopper. Negotiation is an art. Friendly conversation with sellers can lead to unexpected discounts on your vintage postcard treasures. Persistence pays off. Regular visits to different garage sales will increase your chances of finding exceptional vintage postcard gems. Embrace the thrill of the hunt for vintage postcards at garage sales. Affordable treasures are waiting for you to uncover their stories.